All right, so Sokobond Express. Let's see where we were. I think we're almost done. Yeah, so I did this. What did I end up doing? I did a hydrogen carbon, and then I was going to do, I think I was going by the periodic table, which I already forgot. What's before, what is oxygen or nitrogen first? I forget. Nitrogen is first. So nitrogen and then oxygen. And then there's a big one in the middle. So let's see if we can get that all done today. So this one needs to get that. So there's two separate O bonds, but can I do that now? No, I cannot do that. I cannot do that. I've got to, okay, so this one I can just do. That's easy, but this one, no, was that not easy? I don't even know if that was easy. Was it? Did I do it? Yeah, I think, yes, I did. Oh, because I had to get this out of the way before that one. That's why I was making the bloop noise. Or the brr noise. The difference between artificial and natural flavors lies in how they're made, not the end result. Artificial vanilla flavor molecules, vanillin, are identical to naturally extracted vanillin. Yep. Alright, and 2. Let's see. So this one needs that. But, so I can't just go like that because it needs to stay inside, so it's got to be like, no, like this, like that, I think. And then, no, I don't. I can go like this. I think that works. Pick up the electron and come around this way. Yeah. Boop. In the 1800s, wallpaper could be deadly. Pigments like Scheele's green contained arsenic and gave off toxic vapor when damp. It might even have contributed to Napoleon's death. Oh no. And 3 is next. C and an O. And this has to get both of those. Oh my gosh. And am I doing like a double bond here with the O? So I want to get like, I'm not sure exactly what I want. So, no, so I have to get this and then maybe I can get the, no, how am I going to do this? But if I go like that, maybe I can go like that and then this one goes in, oh no, but okay, wait, if I go like this and then it gets that one, that's no good. What do I want? Do I want the C H? And it's gonna end on one of these, so I don't want anything above it, basically, right? Restart. It's gonna end here, so I want things to the left or down, or here to the right or down, not above it. So maybe I can go like that, and then for the oxygen, I can go like that. There we go. H2O. Yay! The deadly sting of some jellyfish is caused by proteins called porins. Porins create pores, effectively punching holes in our cells and letting the contents leak out to disastrous effect. Huh. I didn't know that. So I think this is 2 waters that I want, but how do I want them? This is gonna need to get like, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. This one can go, no. Maybe this one can get these 2? No. No. Okay. How do I want these? Okay, so I go like that. And go like this. Wait, oh my gosh. But this kind of blocks off. Okay. I go like, maybe I go like this. And then, Everything's in the way. Okay. They're kind of in the way of each other, so I kind of like... Maybe I go around this way, and then this one gets that. So if this one goes around like that, then I can go like this. So then this one goes... I can go up and to the left. There we go. I did it. Yay. Uranium is famous for its role in nuclear technology, but craftspeople used to use it to color glass. See if you have any by looking at it under a UV light. Uranium glass glows green. Oh. That would make for like a cool stained glass thing. Like, you know how they have like glow-in-the-dark t-shirts or something, but then have it so that it looks different. Ooh, that would make a cool escape room. You have like a stained glass thing, but then some of it's uranium glass, and then it glows under the black light. Okay. Or the UV light, yeah. CO... What do I want? Do I want COO and H2O again, or do I want something else? Okay, it's way up here and down there. Of course it's in the way there. So this, I can't block that off. So I have to go around this way. But then no. Okay, so go like that. Maybe it is COO again. In which case, I want to go CO. Shoot. Which way do I want to go? Or do I want to go like this? And then... like this? Oh no, I can't. I was thinking I could go back up around to that. Maybe not. Well, if I go H... No, and then I go like... No. Okay, wait. Whew. Let's see. H... But then I have to get this one and then get the other one. Like, that seems hard. Okay, what if I just go... outer side? No. How do I avoid? Okay, maybe I just go on the inside. Okay, so go like this. Go like this. And then like do something like that. But then this one goes... No. Okay, wait, no. Oh, then this one can maybe go like this? Okay, wait, if... No, but then... Okay, I was hoping this could like... go... all the way around. If this could deliver here around this way, but I don't know if it can. Okay, wait, well, maybe this one can deliver here. Like that. And this one can go... Wait, okay, wait. I don't want this to be on this. I want this to be down. And then... like... Oh, shoot. Okay, wait. Done. No. Done. No. Huh. Oh, and then I can go like that. Oh, I think that works. You kind of like move it, jiggle it around until it doesn't bump into things anymore, and then it works. Yeah? Yay! Ooh, that was close. And they were both there. Yay! Ozone gas acts as a pollutant when it's close to ground level, but ozone in the upper atmosphere acts as a planetary sunscreen, shielding us from harmful UV radiation. Yeah, the ozone layer. Okay. And 3. So all of those need to go to the N. Do I want those connected to... like, how do I want this? Do I want that connected? Or do I want to go... Oh, this is tough because... No, I don't want that. This... going here... These are surrounding this. So I gotta go like... on the other side? That kind of blocks off that. Okay. How do I make a path that gets this, all three of these, and not blocking an exit. So maybe I can go like this, then the O, H, no. So I don't want to get that O though, unless I have this. So then I can double bond the O, and then I can get two H's. And like, but okay. But then I can't go back, I blocked off this. But then if I did that, like, I could do carbon, nitrogen, and hydrogen like that. And then, no wait. No, but I don't want that. I want carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen like that. Yeah, that doesn't seem great. So how? Or do I want the carbon to go around this? That's not good. Oh wait, I can do that though, right? If I have, okay, I could do that. No, because the problem if I do that, then I'm left with nitrogen and hydrogen, and that's not good, right? Like, I don't want, like, that's not, like, yeah, they, okay, that also blocks into that. I don't want to have floating electrons loose. Let's see. So if I go around this way, okay, wait, if I go around like this, I'm trying to think, if I go around like this, no, okay, wait, no, if I go around like, shoot, well, that goes like that, then I can get this, no, but this blocks off the way to get to these entrances. I need two distinct routes that can go to these, and one of them has to pick up these three. Okay, I just need to focus on how to pick up these three and get to an exit, while also this one getting to an exit. So if this goes to that exit, let's just say, try that. Then I can go like, that one can do this. Whoops. Theoretically. I can go around and get that. If there wasn't any worry about, like, it could do that. Like that. Okay, but okay, so let's move this like this. So this can go here and do that. Oops. This can go here and do that. Oops. Here and do that. No. How can I do this? Here, and I don't want that. Almost like that. Maybe I go like this, here, and this, and like that. Wait. Here and this. Something like that. So then this one would want to pick up. Oh, but I don't know how to pick up that piece. if I were able to pick up this, okay. So if I were able to get this on the left side, no. Oh, so no, the thing is I have to go like this first. Okay, and then I can go like that. Wait. So what if it's in the way? Like that, and then I feel like this is close, but not quite. Alright, if I can get this, well, this is like that, and this is blocking the way there. Like, something like this. That picks up that one. That one's blocked. Oh, it just stops it. But it picks up all three and then goes in. But okay, but that's getting C, N, and H. Okay, what if I try doing... If I pick up all three, but then get the N. No, not the O. So what if I don't get the O? What if I go around, get... No. No. I'm not sure if I can pick up all three and not get the O and have the C get the O. Right? Like, okay. If I try to get the C, let's try connecting the C to the O. And then see if I can pick up all three. Like, this kind of blocks it off. Oh, maybe I can do that. Like, okay, this would theoretically, I mean, if it weren't just blocked off here, but like that. Okay, that gets them all, but it also does not get the nitrogen afterwards. So maybe I could go like this. No. So yeah, because I have to get like the nitrogen and then go back to the exit, which doesn't work. Because if I pick it up first and then it's not gonna bond. Yeah, and I need it to bond. So it does not bond if I pick up the nitrogen first. So I feel like the carbon wants to pick up the nitrogen. But then, if only this were facing this way and I could go around and this wouldn't block it. So carbon picks up nitrogen and hydrogen. Nitrogen and hydrogen. This picks up hydrogen. Hydrogen. Oops. And I can't. No, why does this block it? Oh, because it's still down here. Okay. It's too fast. And I don't want to do that way. Maybe okay, so if I go like this, hydrogen and the nitrogen. No, but okay. Maybe, okay. Doot. I can do that. No, but then let's go around like this. Then I can do that. Okay, so then this can go this way. And this is, so that picked up a hydrogen. Oh, okay. Is this it? I think I got it. All right. So I needed the extra bit to be able to make this get out of the way first. Tricky. Yay! Flamingos are famously reddish pink, but the hue comes from pigments in their food, not the birds themselves. The redder the bird, the more pigment in its diet. Oh, what do they eat? Alright. And this is... what level is this? Omega O1 for oxygen O. It uses these things. So I need 2 H2Os probably. Ugh. This is in the way. Ugh. Well, I feel like I have to do that, and then... Can I go like this? There we go. Yay! All clocks measure time by counting back and forth movements. Older clocks use pendulum swings. Automatic clocks count electromagnetic waves used to excite cesium atoms. Yay. Alright, O2. Probably H2O again. But not above it. I want like... wait. Oh shoot. Like that. And then this one I want to be on the left side of it. What? I could do this and go up like that. There we go. That works! Yay! The cross looks cool. A radiant smile is usually a good thing, but a German toothpaste brand took the concept too literally when it started making radioactive toothpaste in the 1920s. Ugh. So many radioactive things. Alright, more H2O. So here, going on the right. So I want it up and to the left. Right. Up or to the left. It's gonna go in a straight line, both of them. So, left. Left. Shoot, whoa. And then this one, shoot. Up. I'm not sure. Okay. Maybe right. To the right. Oh wait, I can't do that because I have to come. Wait. And then this is to the left. To the left. No! Okay. I want it to be up. Well. Wait, oh, then I can go like this. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, and then this. And they're just missing each other. Do you really need that shadow like showing where they go? And bumping into each other. If you can't find safe drinking water, you can make untreated water drinkable by boiling it to kill microorganisms and using iodine or chlorine to chemically purify it. Yep. 04. We used to boil our water when we lived in Venezuela. And so I could do an OH, but okay, this is way down here. So I need to get something down. Oh, I don't want that like that. And C O H. Oh shoot, but then I can't get that H. That's annoying. Oh. And H. C. O. Oh. And then H. H, no. Okay. But then this blocks off that, so I don't want to do that. Okay. NH. Okay. How do I get from here? H. Go like that. C. No, but I can't do. That's the problem with that is it blocks off this. Because if I use that, this has to come down from here. Ooh, I wonder if I do, whoops, if I do like an H-O-O-H. Shoot. Yeah, I don't know, there's too many. I can't, it's hard to get the H from the O. Wait, why is that not? Oh, if I got this out of the way first, like that. Okay, yes, then I can do H-O-O-H. And then this can be whatever, right? There we go. Sneaky. Getting that last H on the end point. Yay, the Nobel Prizes were founded on the back of the explosives industry as they were created using the fortune of dynamite inventor Alfred Nobel as decreed in his will. N. Okay. So both of them are N. Am I just doing NOH for both? Can't do that. Oh. No, but then I need to figure out. Okay, and how about N H O, and then this one goes and then what if this one goes N? H N O H O. Shoot, nope. But okay, I want this to be I want this to be to the up above it. I want this O to be above it though if I do that. Or maybe I take this O first. No, but then I can't take that H. I took that first and I can't go down. So okay. Okay. So close. But then this blocks that. No. Okay. Maybe something else then. Which H goes with which N and which N goes with which H? Okay. Go like that. I can go like that, maybe. But then this one. Oh. What if I go This H is hard because it can only be to the left, right? I can't make it. I can make it up. Okay, up. Okay, if I do this one up and to the left, then I want this one to deliver. I want this one down and to the left. But then how do I get... So then I want this to go here. Then I can go around, and then this one can go here. But then this is stuck. I need another chunk, another crossing. So yeah, this H is the problem. It can go up or left. If it's left, let's see if I go, wait, left, then I need something up or left. Then I want this to be down and down and to the right, right and down, and then no, I can't have it right. I want it left, down. But then when I do this, like, this does not help. Does it? I mean, I could do that, but no, I want... I feel like, okay, this one I want to have left and up for this one, right? Left. So this one wants to take this hydrogen and that one. Okay, maybe I can... Does this seem to help? That doesn't help because... Okay, so then if I had this one up... No, I don't want that up. I want it left. And... Not right. Down. I want it down. I do that. But I need to get this up here, like that's not good either. So wait, maybe it is this one? Okay, so if this one does not take that one, if this one takes this one and has to go, so okay, how can I get this one? I could go like, no, so this one needs to go this way so that there's a path to that exit, right? Like, whatever. This is gonna do something here. So this one would take this, and then but I need like this one needs to go here. No, but once it does this, okay, so this one needs to take this down, then left, and then go like that. And then this one needs to take this up, and then, no. And then this I needs to get this H. On the right though. Is that, no. Not on the right, I mean on the left or up. Okay, wait, no. Oh, okay, no. This can take this left and then it can go this up. That's there. Ah, there, got it. Yay. Woohoo, a barium meal won't win rave reviews from food critics, but it will show up on x-rays, making it super useful for doctors who want to investigate your gut. Yay. 06. Alright, so now there's an N and an H. What do I want? What do I want? If I do the H to the C, there's too many extras. There's 3. And then there won't be enough for the N. So the N has to hit the C. I don't even know what's going on here. What are we doing here? Like that? That looks cool, because then there's this and this that I can go through. I don't know why I need that, but I mean, well, okay, this... I don't want that up there is the thing. Okay. But okay, I think like using this type of thing, but I want the NC to be down from the end then, right? Or to the... Oh, I can't hit it down from the end. Wait. I want the H to be down in the... H... and the C... C to be to the left? No. Wait, once I hit H... Why? Okay, no. Oh, because no, send N does C. I have to hit the C first, because the C does the H. Oof, that's awkward. So I can't have C to the right. Never mind, I have to have C up. In which case, I can't do that. It's got, the N's gotta go down here. With some, like, it's gotta do something like that, but that doesn't use these at all. Okay. What am I doing? Okay, so I need to piddle around with this and wait or something like this until this H gets that H. Not that H. This H. No. How do I get rid of that H? Because I don't want this H. Oh, wait. Okay, wait. Maybe the H just goes... No, like this. No? Like that. That doesn't seem right. And then OH. Okay, but we're not using that. Okay, that's fine, I guess. Maybe? Yeah, it worked. In a nuclear emergency, potassium iodide tablets can be used to saturate your thyroid with iodine, leaving no room for harmful radioactive forms of the element. Yay, okay, 99? What type of number is that? 99. Oh my gosh. Alright. This is huge. There's there's 4 different routes to build. Oh my gosh. And then, okay, the nitrogen needs to pick up 1, the carbon needs to pick up 1. Let's see. So there's 1 C, 1 O, 1 N, and a bunch of H's. So that's how organic chemistry is. So this is already connected to an H. So I just need another H for that. So it's only H's, so I don't have to think about like double bonds and stuff, because there won't be any of those. That makes it simpler, I guess. So where is this one gonna end up? This one's already just a thing. So it cannot go here, it can go here, it cannot go here, it can go here. So it's gonna have to go to the left side somehow. I probably don't want to block that off though, but it could maybe go like that. I don't know. Or, yeah, I'm not sure. And then maybe this oxygen is on the left. No, but if I, okay, wait. This is on the left, which means it has to go to the right side. But, okay, this kind of blocks off. Oh wait, I can't do that. Oh, there's an I on there. No, but it's, okay, that. Oh no, I can't. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, what if I go like this? This goes like, oh shoot. Okay, what is it? Okay, stop it. Okay. Okay, that does those two. I have to do the rest. But this hydrogen is still like that's not the right way. Okay, so carbon, how is this gonna be? I gotta get all four. So this says that has to be 4 things, right? So it's gotta end on one of these two. And the nitrogen also, I think. Yeah, so I think that I have the ending ones right, because like they have to be there. So the carbon has to have 4. 1, 2, 3, and then I don't know. And then nitrogen 1, 2, 3. Like that can end there. So I've got everything except for the carbon. Easy. That one. Okay. How do I get that? I haven't used this. So maybe instead of going here, the hydrogen can go through here. So then this would have to go. Wait. Oh my god. Alright. Okay, wait. Like that, okay. Then, wait, where's the last? Oh, this goes here. Then I go like this. Oh, did I get it? I think I got it. That wasn't actually super hard because of like they're all just single bonds. Yay, chemistry ought. Yay, complete. I complete all the levels. Chemistry ought to be not for chemists alone. Miguel de Unamuno. Yay! Woohoo! So yay, we learned chemistry. Not sure how much chemistry that taught us. I mean, the blurbs at the end of each level, that taught us a little bit, but I've forgotten most of it. So, yeah. Oh, that was cool. I feel like that was, for me, easier than both Sokobond or Cosmic Express. Because Cosmic Express got really hard, and Sokobond, like the route, the constraints of the routes helped figure out the bonds. And the constraints of the bonds helped figure out the routes. So like the doubling the constraints made it easier kind of to figure out stuff. Maybe. I don't know. Yay. But yeah, I liked it. And I think that was everything. I don't know if there are any like secret stuff in this one. But I will check the achievements. I think I got all the achievements on Steam. Thanks for playing. You're welcome. Whoops. So yeah, like these are all of the things, right? There's nothing like shiny. Let me see. Where's my Steam? Let's look. Yeah, I have 13 out of 13 achievements. Yay! Yay! So that was Sokobond Express. Finished.